everyone! In this video, we'll explore how to use our mockup design tool together. This tool allows you to customize your designs on selected models and fully personalize them. Working on a model brings your designs to life, giving you a preview of how they will look in the real world. Let's take it step by step. First, we start by reviewing the list of models displayed on the screen. From here, you need to select the model you want to work with. For example, I'm selecting a t-shirt. At this stage, if you want to customize the background of the model, you'll find multiple options to do so. You can change the background color or choose a background image from the library. Let's try a few different options and see how they look. While working on the model, pay attention to the map view on the right-hand side. This map shows the different parts of the model. For instance, if you're working on a t-shirt, you'll see sections like the front, back, and sleeves. Next, let's move on to our library. Here, I'm selecting one of the saved patterns, which automatically gets applied to the model map. If you have a custom pattern that you want to place on the model, you can easily upload it here and see it on the model. Let's proceed with the selected pattern. You can adjust its scale, change its position, and place it on the areas you want. For instance, you can apply the main pattern to the front and use a different pattern for the sleeves. This process is very straightforward. You simply choose a second pattern and add it to another section of the model. Let's make a few adjustments and check out the results. As you can see, enriching your design with different patterns is quite easy. Once you've completed your edits on the model, it's time to move on to the export stage. In the export section, you can download your design in 4K or 8K resolution as a PNG file. Additionally, you have the option to export it as a 3D GLB file, which is especially useful for both digital and physical production purposes. Today, we went through a step-by-step guide on how to use our mockup design tool. Now, you can customize your designs as you wish, with full control over every stage as you prepare them for the real world.